Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Darren had bought me two through Amazon of the My Mini Baby by Zuru Series 2 blind balls. I love these. I never thought I'd fall in love with a blind ball, and I sure did not think I'd fall in love with a baby doll, and I sure did not think I'd fall in love with a blind ball baby doll, but I have. Look at that. That is actually working. I opened the first one in another video. You can go look for that. And I did not get the twins, and the reason I know, I've gotten twins before, and you get two in the packet. Let's hope I got something I don't already have. I don't have a lot. Let me show you what I do have. I have two sets of twins, these two, and I have two of the covered baby beds. I have this one and this one. And that's all I have in this series. So I'm hopeful that I got something different this time. I did. I got the little scale. I can tell you something about this little scale. My mom still had mine when they carried her. Well, they didn't carry her out of the house. When she left the house. Yeah, it's cute, isn't it? My mom had this. I was in my 50s when they cleaned out her house when she went to the old folks home. And my baby scale was still there. And back in the 40s and 50s and even 60s, every mother had one because that's how you watch the health of your baby to make sure that it was growing. And the doctor would ask you about it and you'd weigh them and you'd measure them. I don't know that anybody actually listened to their heartbeat, but that's cute. Let's set this here and see what baby I did get. I think with the darker, I am going to get, I got another redhead. Oh, how cool. Thank you, Darren. I'm very excited. And you get these little diapers, although I got one that was missing the diaper. Didn't have anything but a blanket. Let's put this on her and set her on the little scale. Oh, it stuck to itself. Let's get her little, I say her, it's really, you kind of determine yourself or go by the clothing by these guys. Oh, how cute. I am smitten by these little Zulus. I just am. Don't know why. And I have some other silicone babies too that I've pulled back out because of them. Let's see what they weigh. Oh, that much. Oh, I'm so glad.
They weigh 1 o'clock.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Are you also smitten by these little Zuru babies? They are just the cutest little things. I've been sewing for them. Darren and I are going to host a Halloween silicone baby challenge coming up. It's the 21st, I believe. I'll have to check my calendar. If you're with us on Thursday nights on our lives, we have it listed there, and we also talk about it. It's very simple. Just anything Halloween with your little Zuru or other silicone babies, and you can just set them up by a pumpkin for all we care. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.